Wait, I'm gonna open it private. No, I should not open that. I like heels, but I like to wear heels that are like a little bit, not too much. This mascara literally creates like a tube around the lashes. I really like heels and I'm realizing it right now. It is the perfect fit in the kids section, literally. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra and today we're gonna do, I was gonna say March, it's April. Yeah. April favorites. I've got a lot of good stuff to show you and all of it will be listed in order of mention in the description below. And a portion of this video is sponsored by Laifen. I've been using this brand for a long time, so I'm really excited that they are sponsoring this video. And thumbs up this video if you enjoy these favorites videos. If you don't like it, then just leave a thumbs down because then I'll really know, you know? I hope it's a thumbs up. Got my little drink. First up in the hair category is this Living Proof hair strengthener. Now this is tiny, okay? Is it conditioner? No. Is it a hair mask? Yeah. But why is it so small? That's what I wondered. But it's like K18. You know how K18 you only use a couple of pumps for your whole head of hair, which is weird, but it works. It's so unusual. This is like that. And in fact, this is a clinically proven hair strengthener. I didn't run the studies. I'm not sure I could attest to the reversal of 1 year of damage, which is one of the claims, but I can tell you my hair is significantly healthier when I use this according to the directions. This you use on damp hair that has been thoroughly shampooed, but you skip conditioner and you use a couple of pumps of this. It's very difficult to say that this is better or equal to K18. It's pretty close, to be frank, because I notice a big difference when I use this, and I don't think that anybody would need both. So if you prefer this or you prefer this brand, or this is more accessible to get your hands on it, then I think it's fantastic. And if you were to get it on top of K18, you'll get benefits from both because both deliver a slightly different mechanism in terms of their formulation. Different chemicals, different approaches, but ultimately they both work towards the same goal, Living Proof and K18, giving you better, healthier hair and reversing damage in a way that your traditional mask just isn't going to do, ever. Next up is this. How cute is this Laifen SE blow dryer? Now, I've been using a Laifen blow dryer for a couple of years now. I actually brought it here. This one has a slightly shorter cord. It's a little bit different model, but I was already using Laifen before I got this one. And for context, before I got Laifen, I was using Dyson. But when I got the Laifen, I was blown away. And listen, high performance tools, that's like what I want. But when there's a high performance tool that I'm using, I feel weird using it if I know that there's a high performance alternative at a better price. Laifen really blew me away and I just found myself not using the Dyson anymore. So I fully switched. And in the past couple of months, I got this cutie. It's a favorite for this month. This is so cute, like for this season with the color in particular, but regardless of what color it is, the actual function of this dryer, it delivers the same luxe feel, the same high performance that my Dyson did, but at a fraction of the cost. And it's quiet. This SE in particular is 62 decibels. It's quiet on your own ears, but it's also, when you consider doing your hair really early in the morning or like really late at night and you're using your blow dryer, it's very nice that the SE isn't too loud for you or for people you live with or even for your pets, you know? And all of Laifen dryers, they have this ring around the back. And when it's turned on, it's color coded. You know how like drying your hair, you usually have to take it down and decide what mode you're on? When you're using the Laifen, you can always see in the reflection of the mirror what mode you're on based on the color. So I can toggle it to high heat, which is red, and then set my curls with cool just by pressing the button, even without looking. I am a big fan of how easy it is to get the magnetic nozzle onto this without having to like look and think about it. It connects and it stays on. It comes with a smoothing nozzle, and I like to use this alongside a paddle brush to smooth out the roots of my hair. That really helps if you have mixed race hair and you have a bunch of different textures. It can really help to use this kind of nozzle at the root and really smooth it out before you go and you use a flat iron, for example. And it comes with this diffuser, which I actually learned using a Laifen to use a diffuser in two ways, not just the scrunching, but after I get my curly hair coated with product, I'll use this this and coat my hair with a low heat setting, running it over the lengths of my hair to activate the product that I've just put in, and then take the lengths of the hair and do the typical diffusion. Plus it has a negative ion generator, 150 million negative ions. So it's preventing frizz while you're doing your hair and adding shine without damage. You know I'm gonna add a link in the description for this. Plus I have a coupon code, so check out Laifen products. I highly recommend them. My next favorite of the month is super cool. It looks like a little mascara, but it's like a giant mascara wand. This isn't for your lashes, it's for your hair. This is Day Cactus Fruit 3-in-1 Styling Wand. Use this styling wand to tame flyaways, smooth frizz, and smooth edges. This isn't quite like a edge control, but it's really good for flyaways and it can handle baby hairs for sure. It's not as waxy or like glue, but it's really good. I'm gonna put some on my hand just so you can see the texture. It smells amazing. And the finish isn't as glossy as a edge control product. I've liked this because it's very approachable. With an edge control, I feel like I've gotta like get my gloves on and like be ready to like do something. With this, I can just... My favorite way to use this isn't necessarily for baby hairs. It's more just for like the little flyaway pieces. Plus, this smells so good. I really like the scent. It smells not real, that's for sure. It smells hyperactive and electric, like blueberry and linen and sweet cherry, and it's amazing. This is probably one of the select items that is like more of just a favorite. I'm not sure that it's going to be an everybody kind of product. You might not all enjoy it. This is HZone Professional Profumo Positano Style Hair Perfume Shine, and it says essence from the Amalfi Coast for hair which glows with light and Mediterranean perfumes. This is hair perfume that also has oil to add luminosity. So you don't just use this for fragrance, but it also can add a little bit of elasticity to your hair, and that's why I like to use it the way that I do. I like to use this hair perfume right before bed, so I'll spray it in the length and then wrap my hair in my little sleepy tie. Put a bonnet over it. When I wake up in the morning, it smells so good. And the scent of this is like a mixture of corporate, fresh, and striking, appropriate for like a professional setting, but it's beachy. It's so unique because both of those things don't usually go together. It's kind of like business on the beach. That's good. I'm gonna write that down. Okay, done with hair. Let's move on to the fashion category. This is one of my favorites, and you know something? I got this before Christmas. It's got makeup on it, yeah. This is a little vest, and I was looking for one that had a specific length, and I found this little vest in the kids section. This is in the little girls section of H&M. I'm so happy I did because it is the perfect fit. Perfect length. It's just it was what I was looking for. I get cold sometimes. I wear this in the house. I wear this to do chores. I'll wear this to work on the computer. Like, this is my little like jacket, and I've been wearing it for like 3 months, and I'm still wearing it. So I thought I would include it in my favorites. Super cool. And for a cropped puffer vest, I think I'll probably always want to check the children's section. It just makes sense. Next, I thought I'd include these in the fashion category. These are press-on nails. I think they're so cute. They're little, they're square. I'm wearing them today, and I think they're just sweet. My next April favorite is a pair of leggings, and these are my I'm gonna get stuff done kind of leggings when I'm around the house doing different things. These are by the brand Halara, and they are the SoCinched Tummy Control Shaping Legging in full length. The reason I say I get stuff done in these is because they just constrict your stomach, like they hold your stomach in, and it helps me focus. Like, it's like good for your posture. They're amazing, and they have no seam down the middle. They're very comfortable, and the technology of the material is like, it's really good. Next up in fashion, for my April favorites, I've got a purse. I've been enjoying this so much. I feel like it goes with everything. It's the right size. It has an accordion side and these little feet on the bottom. Actually, I never took off the little plastic bits. And it has these little feet here, so it's not gonna get scratched up. This is calfskin embossed with this texture, and it can be worn top handled, but I almost always have it with the strap. I like it because it's small, but it's not like so... This is the right size. It's not too big, and it's definitely not tiny. It's just good. I like it. So there's this shoe brand, and some of you have been watching my videos, thank you. I've introduced this Cozy Island brand on my channel, and I showed you a few times when I wore it. And essentially all of their shoes are made with comfort in mind. Seriously, like for real, for real. So inside, it's so super padded inside each and every one of their heels. And these commute heels, they are no exception. They are certainly a part of my April favorites. These are just the ones that I've been wearing. If you ever spend a lot of time on your feet and you have to wear heels or you want to wear heels, because of the way these are designed and the padding, you will be able to stand with these a little bit longer, a lot longer. And I have a discount code with all of the Cozy Island products. So if you place an order on their website, use my discount code. I do make a commission from your orders, which makes me feel like an Avon lady, and I love it. So thank you so much for supporting me if you place an order. You must know this. It's like every 2 months I think about making a video about heels. I really like heels and I'm realizing it right now. How to walk in heels. I like talking about the design of heels because did you know there's so much I have to say. Comment below if you're interested in more about heels. I also heard it said the other day that a lot of people don't know how to walk in heels, and it's just so true. I don't like that because I think everybody should be able to learn if they want to. Okay. Now the makeup category. I made a pretty cool discovery with something that is very unique. The Wonderskin Brow Tint. And this is a really pigmented angled brush where you can apply directly to your brow and tint them. I can't really get a perfect timeline on how long this lasts, but it definitely tints the skin for longer than 24 hours. And it does depend on like what I'm using. If I use exfoliating acids, of course I'm like resurfacing the skin. It's not going to stay on, but I like the formula a lot. I don't have to do my eyebrows as much. I use this angled brow brush. This is E75 and it's by Sigma instead of the brush that it comes with because I like being able to make detail. If I use the brush in here, it's just going to be a little bit harsher. So that's something to consider. You may actually enjoy this only if you have a brush like this. Next up is this water lip. This is a tinted SPF lip balm that is so good. It's K-Beauty or J-Beauty. I have to double check. This is a K-Beauty product and I'm gonna swatch it. This is the most gentle shade of pink you can see. It just ever so slightly adds like a hue of pink and I really like it. It's hydrating, it protects your lips from the sun. SPF for the lips is so important just to protect the skin. And since my lips are tattooed with color, SPF really protects them from fading. I was really playing myself. I like this lip liner, okay? But I was like, eh. So I tried a bunch of other ones trying to like make it into that lip liner. And I probably just should have stuck with this one because it's the one that I really like. I just restocked it recently. This is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Liner. This is my favorite shade. I really like it so much. It's so pretty and I had to include it in my April favorites. Next up is this cute little cotton blush by Missha. This is a blush in the color Picnic Blanket. It's peachy and bright and fresh. It goes with every kind of makeup look and it's buildable without having any shimmer in it, so it's completely matte. You can stack it up to get a little bit more pigment, but it will never be overbearing. I don't think I should open this. Wait, I'm gonna open it private. No, I should not open that. This is American Woman by Nars, a Powermatte lipstick. Awesome. It's really, it's rough because I use it a lot. The inside the cap is really dirty. Let me show you. Okay. That right there is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and that is American Woman by Nars. Both of these I really like. And just to show you, I can take the water lip SPF and make it glow. They're all so pretty. I like this kind of shade. These tones kind of go together. I like them all. I'm back on the two-step mascara thing where one is a conditioner and the other is like the thing that goes over the conditioner. This is a bit of a throwback product. It's been around for a long time. And when you add this, you add a ton of volume to the lashes, which I've been liking a lot lately. It's almost the consistency of a developer for your hair. And it goes on the lashes, so you can imagine how much volume you get. And then when you use this side, this mascara literally creates like a tube around the lashes. When you go to remove this at night, it's like tubes coming off of your lashes. It's kind of cool. I've been liking this. Okay. Those were my favorites for the month of April. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it up until this point, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, and I hope that the rest of your week is wonderful. God bless all of you in the name of Jesus. You can also click my channel to watch more. I have tons of beauty and fashion and skincare content and lots of videos, so click to watch more. All of the links will be down below, and you'll also see the discount codes if they're applicable right beside the product name in the order of mention. Thumbs up this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye.